Hello guys, welcome to my video. So today we're going to play Tower Rainbow Obby. So this is hard. So anyways guys, we're back in episode now. So we're back this like this. Okay, so anyways guys, okay. So like and subscribe. Also guys, if you watch my videos on our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. So I'm going to keep uploading videos. I think okay. So anyways, we're going to just keep dying. What the? Come on. I'm not gonna just fall, I guess. So anyways guys, we're going to just keep dying like that. Come on. No, we're going to just jump again. Oh my god guys, okay, so we're going to just jump I guess. So that is going to just beat this game instantly. So I'm going to just hit on it. Okay, so just do like this. I'm going to do like this and what? Okay guys, we're back at this hardest base. Oh, not gonna fall. Do not fall. Try not to fall. Oh my god, this is so hard guys. Okay, so otherwise we're going to not fall again. Come on. We're going to. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god guys, okay. Oh my god. We're already did it guys. Okay, we're almost there guys. Okay, so otherwise guys, we're going to just not talking. Come on. I need to just jump. I need to cheat, guys. I know how. Oh my god, I just glitched the game, guys. Oh my god. Yes, oh my god, I just glitched the game. No! No, not fair. Bro, I need to cheat, guys. I know how to cheat for something else. Okay, so the player will going to cheat on me. So that's okay, guys. So we're going to play in the of Rainbow Lobby. So that is a bit easy, guys. Come on. We need to cheat. Huh? Ouch. 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 I need to. How? How? Oh no. Oh no, I just want to fall, guys. I don't want to fall, guys. Okay, so I don't want to die for today. So, anyways, guys, I'm not low on health and just give me an hand. Try helping me. So I don't want to fall. Do not fall. Try not to fall again. So I'm going to use the cheat, I guess, that I just bought there for the new videos, I guess. I need to cheat. Oh, I need to cheat. I need to cheat. Oh, yes, I need to cheat, guys. Oh my god. You know what? I'm going to use the cheat. I'm going to use the cheat because you're trying to follow me. I will use the cheat if you do that, huh? What the heck? Is that a ball? Okay. No. No. Oh no, it's gonna be impressible. Can I just cheat on Roblox? Oh my god! I accidentally cheat. Oh my god, yes. Oh my god. What the heck? Oh my god. We accidentally made it, guys. Oh, no, that's cheating. That's a cheating. You're cheating. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Don't fall there. Yes. What the? Oh my god. Accidentally made it, guys. Come on. Accidentally made it. Come on. Accidentally made it. We should do this, guys. Okay. How about the radio? No, no. Bro, finally, I need to just win, but I can't win. Okay, there's the wall again. Here's the brick. Come on now. Oh my god, I escaped. We're almost made it, guys. Okay, we're going to use the cheat. Yes, come on. He's out. Oh my god. Wait, I need to cheat or not? Oh my god, yes. Why should I did it? No, do not. Okay, not. Stop, please. Oh, bro. Bro, stop lagging. I hate this. No, I hate this game. You know what? And so guys, I hate this game. Freaking game. Let's go to the next obby. So anyways, next obby, but I'm not sure about that. So goodbye.